Hello beauties, welcome again to my channel. I'm Becca Darren from Abuja Mom. I'm a lifestyle blogger and a vlogger based here in Abuja. Today I'm going to be doing this review of the bowling alley at the Dome. And please pardon my voice, I'm really having cold. Like I'm just trying so much, try my best to do this video for you guys. So just pardon me. Thanks for watching. So the first thing I noticed when we got here was just how serene this place is. The lighting, you can see how sleek it is. It's a very good lighting for like weather for two kind of thing. And I noticed they had a hotel here, and so you can just come here and sleep over if you want. And they also have a club, but actually I'm reviewing the bowling alley. See how beautiful this place is. It's kind of like a reception area, and it's so beautiful. You can take really good pictures here. And when we got in, the first thing I noticed was this floor, which I didn't like. This thing where the chairs are on, I didn't just like it at all. It didn't really go well with me. But I liked how everywhere just had different lighting. You can see like the lighting, normal lighting, and this blue kind of LED lighting, which just helps to transition your mood.
There's no free place.
Okay. And because people were much here, we had to just wait for our turn. And I liked the drink area, how as in the place is so organized. To me it was so organized, and everybody was on white, and they are so neat. And they have other games here which you can play with your friends. If you are with your guy friends, your hobbies, whatever, you can just come here and just play. And they can also watch football. So it's a really, like, you can do so many things here. So that's me just feeling myself. I'm just feeling myself. And because I didn't wear makeup, I just felt like I was really looking good for someone that didn't wear makeup.
I'm fine.
So this is the menu, guys. I'm just showing you guys the kind of things they have here, and the prices are just in between. They're not so cheap and they're not so expensive. And I just feel like this place is not the place to come and eat like your dinner. I feel like it's a place where you can just come and you just want to wine your mouth, that kind of thing. And that's what I feel like this place is for. And the prices are not so bad, like I said. And I ordered a shawarma, a chicken shawarma, which was 2.5. And this is my shoe, guys, and it came with a socks, which was really good for me because a lot of times you don't want to be putting leg where everybody has put their legs. So I love that they have shoes. I ordered Amsterdam Malta, and Obi had Star, and this shawarma was not that nice, I won't lie, and it was so gross. Like, look at it. I just had to eat it because I cannot waste my money.
You're next.
You do next. I do next.
You now did
So you
it.
have 2 chances. I think you have 2 chances, yeah?
Okay, 2 chances.
Yeah. Yeah, please. Don't be like that.
So you can see I was just so excited. This is me just having fun. And so you can see this is me just having fun. I was so excited, and I just love the game, even though the balls were so heavy. I don't know what you call it. I'll call it ball. The balls were so heavy. I just realized this girl and one guy were just doing serious love game. I don't know if you can see them doing hide and seek. So these people we're playing with, we don't actually know them. We just met them here. They actually matched us up with them because two people can just play wherever many people are waiting. And it was really fun. It was a really good gaming relationship because we had so much fun together. And Hobby, being the professional in the bowling thing, was just teaching everybody, trying to help everybody out, wanting everybody to win, even though he wanted me to be second. He was teaching everybody, and he was still scheming with me how I can win, and I won, and I came second. He came first, and I came second. The balls are so heavy, it nearly makes me want to fall anytime I throw it. Maybe I don't really have the skill, but it just makes me want to fall, seriously. Seriously, guys, we really had so much fun, and we So that's it, guys. All in all, I love the place, I love the customer service, the food not so much, but every other thing was okay to me. Seriously, everything was okay to me.
So that's it, guys. We're leaving.
Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell button to always get notified. Make sure you just follow me and love me. Bye, guys. Love you. Kisses.